Burrito. Oh God, it's so big. That's what she said. Ha! Oh my God. Holy shit. Guys, look at this fucking thing. That's what she said. Oh my God. How is a normal individual supposed to eat this? What's in here? What is it?
All regular stuff.
What's the regular stuff? What is it?
Chicken.
Gas. Ooh. Sour cream. I want to bring my drink. Aww. Sour cream. Why not?
Because I have it.
God. My God, I'm gonna have the worst shits tomorrow. The sour cream?
No.
So good. So good. Oh! Boy. This is so good. Little drunk. Dad, can you get me water? Please.
I don't have any. Don't have any.
Thank you. Is that a little kid? Steve?
What?
Is that a little kid?
Yeah.
Mm. Let me go sleep. Mm.
Steven, finish.
I can't.
Why not?
I'm full. What do you think I eat? Mom, this family has like tons of Nerf guns. They have. Do you know what I like about this channel? They have like different series. It's like the Payback series, the Punisher series.
Oh. Mm. Oh. So bad.
Really? What is it? This is a fire stove. The control. Okay, cool. You guys can have some of that. Excuse me, You guys are too much. You shouldn't have.
My hair. It's like a mess.
You guys, so what's my surprise?
Right here, baby. Yeah, they made like the editor as I did. That way it looks like real guns. Which is new ones. Like watching them, they come on. Wait, oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let me. So I did that.
Yeah, Steven, it's all about the editing. It's all about the editing, bro.
Mom,
No.
You guys, so
look.
what's my surprise?
Mom. Give me a
Noise. Woo!
I've watched this episode like 5 times.
It was a beautiful day. I was in my house. My mean old neighbor was watching me. Oh, looks like he's coming.
So fucking good.
He's coming over here. Oh, what are you doing, sir? This is my house. Stop it. Stop, sir. I'm your brother. I have something to tell you. I'm your brother. Kill your brother.
I'm going to
Hey, neighbor. Hey, I'm the other neighbor. I'm going to get in your house.
You know Natalia's tired when.
What?
You know Natalia's tired when she puts no fight up and goes directly to bed.
What's that for?
Another.
neighbor.
Yeah, I was gonna say another neighbor.
That stands for neighbor, brother.
Those hot bubs.
And get his key to get in his basement, the crowbar, and let's get into fun.
And a key card.
We'll play silliness yet.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. The key card's a
My
lever.
burrito is falling apart. Ah.
No.
No, but in here, the key card is the key, right?
It's a lever.
Yeah, it's a lever.
Yeah.
That's why that.
My other neighbor is gonna try to get in my house,
Huh.
but I know he won't.
Oh, I am. I'm coming right now.
I
I
am
should
done.
have told you that.
I'm drinking my milky.
Mom, this is what he does.
Someone's
That's who
here.
I was mocking. Huh?
God.
This is who I was mocking.
Huh? Huh? Okay. And that's it? Okay. I'm going to the bathroom.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
This is my side of the street. He's going
Well,
back. No, come back here.
Okay.
I'm a little swaysty
Leonard,
pan,
you
so
want to stay here.
I'm going to his bathroom. I'm going to get the sleeping pills.
I don't do this often.
I'm going to
I gotta make sure I drink plenty of water before I go to bed tonight. I'll take a couple aspirin. It helps so much if you drink a lot of water after you stop drinking. I'm fully drinkable, don't man. So I am too deep already. Besides, eat something. Gonna finish my water. Baby's in bed. The older one's still up, but he's supposed to go to bed soon too.
No, I'm not.
He is. He just doesn't know yet.
No, I'm not.
It's a secret.
I just saw.
No, Sykes, for real. But he's going to bed soon.
No, I'm not.
No, you are.
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not.
His friend's coming over to
You have
11
to come-
tomorrow.
Yeah, but you also have to go find my DS.
I'll do it. Yeah, so he plays this obnoxious game called Assassin on the computer, and I hate it. So I let
It's
him
on
get it.
Roblox.
I don't give a shit what it is. If they kill people, and I'm not okay with that. So
Pretend
I allowed him to get a game today at GameStop for his 3DS, which needs to punch in the car, and just more age appropriate.
It's
So-
Mario Maker.
Whatever it is, it's him not killing people. So
Well, I can kill myself in Mario.
anyway, it's more age appropriate.
I don't
So,
care.
anyways, please like and subscribe to my channel, and have a blessed night. I'll be
Peace.
doing grocery haul tomorrow.
Peace.
Deuces. Peanuts 5, thanks for watching. Curry T, thanks for watching. Saloon Snack, thanks for watching. Joel C, thanks for watching. It's many people that leave me comments, and thank you so much for everybody's support. Hope to see you soon. God
Let's
bless.
go Rangers in hockey.